Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nida Fadhilah Salsabila. I was in Bandung on 31 2002. I am 18 years old and live in West Java. I country and nationality Indonesian. I am study at Bandung Business School. My favorite food is jengkol and my favorite drink is milk. About the hobby, I really like to singing and music on my hobby. He lives in Japan, a simple house with his family. I am the star at 5. He gets a free and will take shower at 6. She cleans the house first and goes to campus and buy milk and water. He arrives first class start at 9 and I am enjoying studying accounting and the class in interesting at 13. He lines with she friends. After that she has another class from 14 and 15 and he goes to the library to study at 17. She rides water bed and goes to shopping the big city. He comes home around 7. In the evening she rides water mall or goes to out with brother. She goes to bed and 22. For I am the typical day at the University of Stanby is hard but fine. My free time, I'm usually prefer to spend time with my family. For example, traveling to Ciwidey or Fralingan, playing game online atau offline, cooking with my mother's, decorating room, watching movie, commenting in front of the house with next board. I listen in the bedroom and spending time in room because I don't like to grow and read. I like to spend time with my family every time. On the often is natural face rice in the northwest nature, but I don't like cities because it hosts traffic jam and the overtending sales is with hikes. Also it's hot, cool. I like sport because my little brother like football and often take him to the from whatever he goes to play football. My sister has participate in the EAS champions for fights in Bandung Regency and it's fun. So I don't like crowd. Cangkuang is a off-names district in Bandung district. In Cangkuang there are several tourist authorities are still nature and lots of new cafes that are there because the place is still natural and cool. There are many rice fries. Also there are some that are not, but the dominance is still beautiful and loud. Cangkuang is very wide and beautiful where I was born. because there are always many chances every time. Now there are many shop and work scatter or late conference where there are in Changwang and also caves days. They are in Changwang and also caves that are in Changwang, and everything can be asked more wisely and of covered. It's easy to find what you want, and now Changwang is jammed because of the many his caves are. My favorite place in my hometown is at the Chocha outlet. Chocha is a place to buy first kind of drink. There are very cheap but plentiful and also tasty good. I feel very comfortable and good on the strong weather is hot and cold. The outlet is not very big, a bit small, but I like it. My other favorite place is the Sentani Terrace, where it's a school and cool, comfortable too. I also do college work or reunion with friends. There I am very fond and grateful to be able to be in this area. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.